Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ama Black Rose. I want to say welcome to my channel. Thank you all for the comments and for watching, and all my new subscribers, welcome. If you're watching this and you're new, please, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, comment and like, and also share. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I appreciate you. And also to my old subscribers, I appreciate all your support, and I also appreciate your comments. I appreciate them so much, and I am so happy that you're always coming to check out my videos. Really thankful. So today I just wanted to do a follow-up on the Lottabody Edge Control gel. I decided to try it on with my hair done right now, try it on for you to see. So yeah, I have it done right now, and I have a little clip for you to see on how I went through the process and the things that I used. Check out the clip, and then I'll see you after this. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, so I'm gonna show you the process. First, I have my Lottabody with coconut oil and shea oil control air gel, and then I'll have my brush and the gel, of course, and the water. I have a bigger brush to brush out the hair out, and water to spray. So I'm brushing my hair out right now. This Moroccan oil, because I don't have coastal oil anymore. I'll get some later on, but for this video I'm using this oil. Put a little bit and put in on my page. Brush my hair again, just to let the oil sit well and absorb. Then spray my water. In this part, make sure you have a little towel so you can clean up the excess water. Brush it out a little bit, and then I apply the gel. And as you know, this gel is made with coconut oil and shea oil, so the ingredients, most of the ingredient is naturally based. Of course they have other gelatin chemicals, but majority is made with, you know, shea oil and coconut oil. So basically it is pretty much not that bad compared to other stuff, I think. But I will leave the information about the Lottabody company in my description, so if you want to know more about it, you can check it out. I looked it up, and it seems like most of their products they use more natural based ingredients. So you know what, this product I would definitely try again, and I'll probably use it more often. So now, this is not sponsored, this is a finding, and so far I like it. Now my edges seem to slick. The only thing that I do not like about when applying this gel is that it gives you the sticky the sticky look, like on at the end of the edges. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I don't like the way it looks as like white. But when it dried, it looked really nice. Also, another minus about this product is it doesn't hold for that long, maybe because my hair is thick. The edges dried up, but then it looked very ashy, so this is the minus. But after checking out their website, I could see they have other control edge gel types that you can try. So I will try another gel from them to see if that one will last longer and will not be that ashy. So yeah, this is how it looks and I love it. My only hope that the next one that I get from that company, would the Lottabody company, would look like this all through day and less ashy. Yeah, and also, by the way, the products are made, as I read, for both natural and relaxed hair. So if you have a straight hair, you can use it. Natural, you can use it. I guess you have to practice on what really works for the hair, but for me, I like it so far. I hope it lasts longer.
Now, I appreciate you staying and watching. I just want to say, please feel free to leave any comment or ask me any questions, and also like this video if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll be happy to hear from you, and I always respond to your comments because I love to hear from you all. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to subscribe and stay blessed. That's it.